If you're considering the no-roaming eSIM for international travel, there are a few things you need to know to decide if it's worth your time, or if there's a better option for your needs. Stick around, and we'll dive into all the details. First, no-roaming eSIMs are available in over 200 countries, offering global coverage. That's a great start. But when compared to competitors like Airalo or Ubigi, the regional package pricing can sometimes feel less competitive. Make sure to compare rates in the specific regions you'll be visiting. Next, no roaming stands out by offering an unlimited data plan in some locations. While this might sound great, remember to check the speed limits tied to those plans. Many competitors offer similar unlimited options, but often with higher thresholds before throttling. The third thing, activation is straightforward, and you can purchase and activate a plan directly through their app. However, the user interface isn't as intuitive as other eSIM providers like Holafly or Airalo. If you're not tech savvy, setting up your plan could take a bit longer than expected. The fourth point, no roaming offers time-based plans, such as daily or weekly options. While these work well for short trips, they aren't the most cost-effective for longer stays. Competitors like Nomad or Airalo offer more flexible pay-as-you-go options for extended use. Fifth, no roaming supports multiple devices, including smartphones and tablets, but you can only use one device per eSIM plan at a time. If you need to share data between devices, you'll need a portable hotspot or a provider that supports sharing, such as Ubigi. Sixth, their customer support is available via chat or email, but response times can be slower than competitors. If you run into problems mid-trip, you may need to wait longer for a resolution compared to providers with 24/7 live support. Seventh, no roaming does not support voice or SMS services, focusing solely on data plans. If you need a number for calling or texting while traveling, some alternatives, like Holafly, offer options with virtual numbers included. Eighth, no roaming is best suited for travelers who don't need high data speeds. While the coverage is reliable, speeds can drop in more remote areas, and many competitors provide faster connectivity in similar regions. Ninth, refunds and cancellations aren't as flexible as some competitors. If you accidentally purchase the wrong plan, you might have a harder time getting your money back compared to Airalo or Nomad, which have more customer-friendly policies. The 10th point, no roaming's app lacks real-time usage tracking. You can check your balance, but it's not as detailed as what you'll find with other providers. This can make it harder to avoid overages or running out of data unexpectedly. 11th, while no roaming's pricing is transparent, hidden taxes or fees can sometimes pop up during checkout. Always double-check the final cost, as this isn't something you'll typically face with competitors like Airalo. Finally, no roaming's strength lies in its simplicity for one-off trips or light data users, but it lacks the robust features offered by newer, more competitive providers. For example, Airalo or Holafly often have more user-friendly apps, faster data, and flexible plans tailored to a wider variety of needs. So, is no roaming a good option? It can be, especially for casual travelers who want basic connectivity without breaking the bank. But if you want a better solution that's more reliable, easier to use, and packed with features, check out our recommended eSIM provider. You can even try it for free.